Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go right ahead and uncover a Wi-Fi password that has already been technically already saved on an actual workstation. Now, the first method I'm going to show you, you are going to need admin credentials. And the second way is technically you really don't need admin credentials. All you need is basically just a terminal to go right ahead and run this command. Now, for the second step, one thing that you are going to have to keep in mind is if the profile actually didn't type in the password, you won't actually see it in what is it, clear text. It's going to go right ahead and basically mask it. So just FYI on that second part. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this started. The first way that we're going to go right ahead and do this, so we're going to go down here to the bottom right hand corner, right here to where the network portion is at. And we're going to go right ahead and right click and we're going to open network and internet settings. Usually how I do this is I actually go to the Ethernet and then I go to change adapter settings. Right here, of course, you see all the different type of interfaces that I have. But in this one, of course, we're going to go right ahead and go into Wi-Fi 2. Of course, the name might be different on your computer. And we're going to go right ahead and go to status. We're going to go right ahead and go to wireless properties. And then we're going to go to security. So in security, of course, now you see, of course, security type, encryption type, and then the network security key. And if we go right ahead and click on the show characters, it will actually show us the actual password, but you will need to type in the admin password. And there we go. So now we already know that, of course, the guest network and, of course, the password, which would be password 1. So that is the first way to go right ahead and do this. Let me go right ahead and show you the second way. All right, so we're going to have to go right ahead and let's bring up the command line. Okay, so let's go right ahead and type in this command. So the command that we're going to be using is netsh space wlan space export space profile space folder, and we're going to do equals dot space key equals clear. All right, and once we have that, let's go ahead and click on enter. And we do see that the interface profile guest is saved in the folder. And then, of course, it gives us the folder name that it created. So where it's actually going to be, it's actually going to be under C, users, and then your username. You can go right ahead and change that if you'd like, but just for this demonstration purpose, I just left it at default. And if we open up this file, so you will notice that we do have the SSID that is technically guest. And then if we go down here, we actually see password 1 as the actual, key. So the only thing you'll need is actually that, of course, this profile to be actually the one that actually keyed in that password. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a different way that you can do this. Instead of actually typing the whole command, you could just technically just double click on a file. So what you can do is technically just create a bat file. And I actually already have one created. So I'll go ahead and show you right here. So I just named it WLAN, and I'm going to show you exactly what's in here. And all it is just technically just the command. That's all it is. So, oh, and FYI. So this file is technically not a .txt. It's actually has an extension of .bat. So what will happen is, of course, I double click on it, command runs, file is created, and then now if I double click on it, there it is. I get the exact same thing. And like always, everybody, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.